Namaste. So as you can see, I have received a few packages from Amazon, and one package I know what is there inside because I checked what is inside, but the others I don't know. So let's do one thing. Let's unbox and see what is there inside. There's one book in this, so let's see. It's quite a thick book. Okay, this is 100 Beautiful Mandalas by Camellia Angel Angelkova. Angelkova. I don't know if the L is silent or not. But I have seen this book on a lot of people's YouTube channel, and that's the reason why I have ordered this one. We'll do a flip through of this separately for those who don't have this book, and maybe if you wish to buy, you can buy it later. Then let's check this one. I'll need a scissor. Okay, so let's see. There seems to be a broken pencil point. That really is worrying me because I don't know what's inside the box. Let's check. So, yeah, and it's my pencil point. So they actually did open this, broke it, and then still packed it. This is ridiculous. Because right now it's sealed, so it did not fall off in transit. It broke when they were probably packing it. Absurd. Anyways, so this one is highlighter pencils. I actually selected this pack because of the vibrant colors, and I wanted to see how they work. They were advertised, if I'm not wrong, as glow in the dark pencils. So I really want to see if they glow in the dark. I have never heard of anything like that, so we'll give it a try in a separate video. And yes, I'm still pissed off about this one. Then I ordered these, which are supposed to be jumbo pencils, and I just ordered them for fun. It's like in childhood, I remember we used to go to fairs, and there you would have these weird stationery items like a huge pen or an extremely thick pencil, and that reminded me of my childhood. That's why I purchased this. So of course we will also explore them a little more in a separate video. And then if you have seen my previous videos, you will remember I had purchased this marker stand, and my marker collection has expanded a lot, and it is very difficult for me to keep track of them when they are separate. So I purchased 6 new, so there are 6 slabs in this, so 6 new tiers for my already existing 6 tiers. So this will help me have better storage for my markers. And the last package is this one, where I had already checked what is inside because it was rattling and I was a bit worried what is inside. So these are basically something similar to this, in the sense the lead are multicolored. However, these are standard size uh, pencils, so they are not like extremely thick or anything like that. I had opened it, I don't know why it's not opening now. Okay, so I'll just show you one of the pencils, and of course we will do a proper examination of these separately. So I don't know if you can see, this is a black desk, so you should be able to see actually. Okay, it's more visible like this. So this is how the lead is. So I'm very intrigued by this one. Let's see what this is all about. So we'll do a lot more exploration of this separately. Oops, sorry for bumping into my camera. Yeah, so that is things that have come in the courier with this broken and one book. So I'll do a separate video for each of them. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Have a nice day. Bye.